I'm Fish. I'm on firmware V01040701, and I have to wait for the relevant team to, you got it, offer me that downgrade via the application, and that may take a couple of days, and I made sure I contacted the right person this time to see if he will hold true of his promise of post 55. I want to do some more testing, but with version V01030210 that I liked the best. Now I'm heading out to the marsh, to the woods, to go get my trail cam. And the next 4 or 5 days, not gonna be nice. So that's why I gotta do it now, then do it later. I take in the bicycle instead of the scooter, man, because I was bouncing all over the road. So maybe the bike would be a little bit better and easier to get in on. Well, here I am at the boat yard. Let's cut on through. I apologize if you couldn't see. How about now? Is that a lot better? You get to see? Well, let me make sure everything is nice and tight, so this way when I do go in, I got nothing happening. Well, beep, beep, beep. Backup camera on, going in forward. Watch out for that boat. Let's get on going. What a beautiful sunny day in the front, towards the left, at 10 o'clock, about 1 o'clock for you. Oh, I try to tell you what's happening. That's what I do. I'm cruising at 13.7 miles per hour. We're gonna be turning soon. As we ride along, let's get on going. Watch out for those poles. Can we make a nice turn? I missed it. Let's make that turn. Woohoo! Am I turning on an angle? Let's get on going. Off-roading. Watch out for the birds. We should be able to get into where we need. How's that stabilization doing in horizon balance? Is it rock steady? Is it rock steady plus? Or is it just horizon balance? Oh, we got some bumps. I'm going nice and slow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to walk my bike any second now. Where do I go? Which way do I go? I'm sliding through. I caught my balance. I think I'm on the wrong trail. I know where I'm at. I need to back up and go out again. You need to get your bearings. Did you leave your car behind? All right, let me get on out of here, back on out. Beep, beep. Oh, I can't back up. I gotta turn around. Ooh, it's this trail right here. Here we go. Don't you remember the trails you go on? Oh. Do you see it? It's not up there. There it is. Right there. Right in the tree. Let's go get it. The trail cam picks up whatever's in front of it. As you can see right here, we have birds in the tree, and that's what it picked up. And it collects the sun all day and charges all day to run all night. The PIR sensor, the antenna, wirelessly. So if you're looking for a trail cam to capture those moments for your hunting, just surveilling, observing, and checking things out, this may be a product that you are after. I hope you enjoy your trail cam. If this is right for you and the options that are available for you, enjoy your product. I found my other set of glasses. It was right by the trunk of the tree, and I just couldn't see it or find it. Now, maybe I could go find my other keychain cam that's in the woods somewhere, 10 years or plus. Do you think it's still working? Sometimes things are right there in front of your face. How do I get out of here? Where's my trail? I think my trail's right over here. Here it is. Boy, this grass just grew like overnight. Ah. I gotta turn. I'm skidding all over the place. Can I get out? Made it out, man. Woo-hoo, yeah, let's get going. All right, the roughness is over. Can I swing the turn? Swing it, baby! Well, I'm happy I got an action camera that does the shot. And did you know? I was looking at the Ace Pro 2 on AliExpress for $315, dual batteries. I don't think that was true. Too good to be true. I think I'm gonna pass it by, then get suckered in. We're doing our cut through, so you get to see what it looks like, and I'm hand holding it this time. There you go. I'm going to be packing this review up, this talk up, definitely indeed, and I'm going to get on going to where I need to be at. On that note, I'm Fish. Just enjoy the fun you have, your day outing, and what you're doing, because you may never know when the next day you're going to have that fun again.